Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a document in WPS Office. First, open your document in WPS Writer. Navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen. This feature is incredibly useful for formal documents, contracts, and agreements, ensuring their authenticity and integrity. We'll cover both adding a signature line and inserting an image of your handwritten signature, making your digital documents legally sound and professional. To add a signature line, click on the Insert tab and then select Signature Line from the options. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to customize the signature line. You can specify the signer's name, title, and email address. Additionally, you can choose whether to allow the signer to add comments in the Signature Setup dialog. This provides a clear, designated space for a digital signature, enhancing document formality. If you prefer using an image of your handwritten signature, first ensure you have a clear digital image file, such as a JPEG or PNG. Go to the Insert tab and select Picture. Browse to your signature image file and insert it into the document. Once inserted, you can easily resize and reposition the image to fit perfectly where you need it. This method offers a personalized touch, mimicking a traditional ink signature. After adding your signature, take a moment to review the document. Ensure the signature is correctly placed and sized, and that all other elements are as intended. Once satisfied, save your document to preserve all changes. For added security and to prevent further modifications, consider saving the document as a PDF file. This final step ensures your signed document is ready for sharing, maintaining its integrity and professional appearance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.